Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin now by turning the machine off and raising the presser foot so tension plates open. This makes threading accurate. You choose the right thread and needle for your fabric because mismatched components cause breaks. Next, place the spool on the pin and lead the thread through the first guide while holding slight tension. Once done, guide the thread down to the tension discs following the marked path. Doing this correctly prevents skipped stitches and reduces rethreading mid-project. Now you seat the thread firmly in the tension discs and lift it into the K-cup lever. This controls stitch tightness so loops form correctly. Then thread through the remaining guides and pass the thread through the needle eye in the direction your manual specifies, usually front to back. Meanwhile, confirm the bobbin is wound evenly and inserted with its thread feeding the correct direction. Pull the bobbin thread into the hook area so both threads meet at the needle plate. These steps balance. Finish by lowering the needle and drawing both upper and bobbin threads under the presser foot toward the back. Then make several test stitches on scrap fabric to inspect tension and stitch formation. If stitches look loose on top, tighten upper tension slightly. If tight or puckered, loosen it a quarter turn at a time. If you still get breaks, clean lint from feed dogs and tension area, replace a bent or dull needle, and try a fresh spool. These checks clear most threading faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.